over here. Here. Let's go here. Here. Mute it. Pop out the YouTube chat. Close the YouTube. Bring the YouTube chat back over. Shrink it down. There we go. Alright. So, how is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? I have strep throat. Yes, strep throat. So I figured I'd see what I could do with my code for the next 3 days. My demos and all that need some work, and the one that I have there. Oh, that wasn't the one I was gonna. Has early planets like I like. 238. Yeah, 238's the one I want to. Is that the one where I've got the? Has this started yet? It started. Okay. Shortest mode. Let's see what we can do. See what we can do. Rules set rainbow. Okay. As an operator in the rainbow department. Excuse me. Each time a new order. Excuse me. Just had some coffee. I don't know why I'm hiccuping, but whatevs. Each time a new order for a rainbow is being processed, you have to validate it. You have to validate rainbow orders. Gotcha. The guidelines for approved rainbows change from time to time, so in each order there is a record of the current rule set. Okay. The rule set is a string, with each allowed uppercase character representing a color, and the order in which it has to show in the request. All the allowed colors should be present in a rainbow request in order. Allowed colors in the wrong order and allowed colors and not allowed colors are considered illegal characters. Only characters between A and Z are considered colors. Everything else is ignored. Example. If the operator is waiting for an ABC ruled rainbow and receives VABC rainbow, the rainbow is invalid with one invalid character. B is considered colored and it's red when we are waiting to read an A, so it's incorrect. If you received A9 BCI instead, it would be valid because 9 and I are not colors. A string with the allowed characters, a string to check. If the requested rainbow is legal, rainbow accepted, 0, else rainbow denied, N, where N is the number of legal characters in the request. Rainbow accepted, 0. Wait, illegal characters? Allowed colors in the wrong order and not allowed colors are considered illegal characters. Not allowed and... Oh, okay. Alright, that's a little bit unclear. But to be honest, they're trying to be clear. But a little bit unclear. So we want to do the rule set, and then we want to do a rainbow, right? So we want to find out if... So what we want to do is really cycle through the rainbows. So for int I equals, I is less than rainbow dot length. Okay. So first of all, let's just cycle through the rainbow. Bam. Alright, let's see what that does. Okay, that's the rainbow. And then we want to go through the rule set. Okay, so... so here's what we have to do. Let me turn the music down in my ear because I have to actually think about this. So when we go through rainbow, we want to keep track of uppercase letters. We don't really care about the other the non-uppercase letters to the lowercase. We don't care about numbers, symbols, nothing. We care about uppercase letters, and that's it. And the only thing we want to do with the uppercase letters is compare with the last, with the first or the last, meaning the last one compared, not the very last one, because they'll go in order. Anyways, so we need to keep track of the index in the rule set where we are at, because int rule index, it's going to start at 0. Okay, 42%. Okay. Okay, and it says 0. So the thing is, if rainbow sub I equals to upper rainbow sub I, then it's uppercase. Okay? Then we do the comparison. We know that it's equal. Rainbow sub I equals 2 upper. So we know that it's upper. Okay, sorry. And then if it's upper, we want to compare with the index in the rule set from Ri. So then we want to go if rainbow sub I equals rule set sub Ri. Okay? So if it's an uppercase and it matches the latest index from the rule set, then we're good. We just go rule index plus plus, and we move on, right? I think so. But then what are we supposed to do? So, number of illegal characters. Okay, so if it doesn't match, we want illegal characters. We have to keep track of that. So here, ill equals 0. Okay. So let's go else. So if it doesn't match, we know it's an uppercase and it doesn't match, then we go IL plus plus. Okay? We're not really concerned about incrementing the index for the rainbow. We're just going to keep going. I don't know how that works exactly, but let's see. So see out rainbow. Okay, we don't worry about that now. So now that we're done, we want to print if the requested rainbow is legal. The guidelines for approved rainbow change the string. Okay, all the allowed colors should be present in a rainbow request in order. That's what we're checking. Only allowed colors in the wrong order are considered illegal. Okay. Only characters between A and Z are considered colors. Okay. So uppercase and it's wrong, then this will check. Okay, if upper is waiting for that. Okay. String with allowed character string to check. Okay, so then we want to make sure at the end, after we're all the way through, right here. So we want to go if Ri equals rule set dot length. Okay. Rainbow accepted 0. Do we, what is that? Then we just see out. Excuse me, are we supposed to put 0? Is it hard? That's a hard code. Okay, whatever. Number of illegal characters. Else rainbow denied, and the number of illegal characters in the request. Rainbow denied. And then the number of illegal characters is going to be IL. Why is there a quote? Oh, because I quoted. Alright. Rainbow accepted 0. Okay. Rainbow accepted 0. Rainbow denied 1. Okay, so we want to print at the end here. Let's see what we get. See out. IL. Because it's supposed to be 1. IL is 9. Why is IL 9? So let's look. Up here. See out. Rule set. See out. Rainbow. Alright, let's figure out why. So A, and then it goes through all this. Oh, because 2 upper. If rainbow equals 2 upper, if is alpha? Is that a... I think that'll work. If is alpha and that. Now does that one, does that break? Rainbow accepted 0. Okay, this one. Okay, so then we get down here. Okay, hold on. What did... I think we're... So why does it print accepted here? Because Ri equals real set length. Rainbow accepted 0, but it should actually be... Why is it not going? Because Ri is equal to the real set length? Why does... How does... Hold on. So A and then A, wouldn't it go to... How would it know? Because in this case you have a valid rainbow, but then you have extra, right? Allowed colors in the wrong order and not allowed colors are considered illegal characters. So does that mean you can't have any extra? Like this one, there's an extra A, but you've already got a perfect rainbow with A, so does the second A all of a sudden rainbow denied and 1 is the answer? That's not clear based on the rules here. Okay, so... Okay, so that might be all we need. I think that's all we need. Cool, okay. Part of me thought I was going to get 42%, not going to lie. Excuse me. Pardon me. Alright. So we're waiting for the clash to end. I'm going to go start some bread. Let me make sure this is the particular build of the space trader that I want to possibly work on. Possibly. Although I think it's the one that I need to work on, so... Is it gonna work and run and everything and all that fun stuff? Is it running? Oh. How to play, hit any key to play. There we go. Oh, then it goes into this. Oh, okay, good. Can we go to a planet here? Yeah, there we go. It doesn't have a landing thing on it. Does this isn't the one. This isn't the one I was looking at. And is this the one with the terrain gen? Oh, cool. Yes, it's got the terrain gen parameters. Cool, so let's just... I need to put the terrain gen parameter thing back in the one with the jetpack. Because it's fun. Because it's fun. Okay, so what one did I want to have in there? 203 has early planets. I think this is the one where you can place the blocks and everything. 203 main space gens 2. Oh, some cleanup. Sneeze coming on. Thank you for tuning into the Sneeze stream. Thanks again for stopping by. Alrighty. Should be able to just run that, I think. Not sure. Really not sure. Oh, this one. Okay. Okay, this one has those things, but how do you go to a planet? Land on a planet. Oh. Alright, I'll be right back. What's going on with the music? Oh. Planetarium has that little pause. Alright, so there was one also that had the map editor going. So that's not the one I was looking for. But also the one not in there. Map editor. 2D top-down map editor. That's probably the one right there. Perfect. Okay, so let's look at that one real quick. First point, Verona 1. Just remove, don't delete. .2D map, okay. Excuse me. So this one is really cool. If it's what I'm thinking of. Oh, I gotta check the, yeah, see this one. And there's, I can't remember. See, I need to have the controls in an IM GUI. You know, that'd be cool. So you can change the colors and stuff. And you can place the colors out here. Like this. Okay. So that's what I want to work with, but let's see what's going on. Anybody share their code? Nobody else got it? What's with the 42%? What were they doing? Well, they both got 42%? What was with that? Gets.chop. A gets tr, A to z's, char count, rainbow, denied. Interesting. Alright, that was cool. That was a cool one. So I think one goal of today would be to take this 2D top-down map editor, okay, excuse me, and put the controls into an IM GUI. That would be really cool. And then add some more options, like more shader functions, and then add the option for the user to add their own shader functions, and there you go. Beam bam boom. Boom. Clash starts in 30 seconds. So I put my bread in the, not in the oven, but it's raising right now. My bread is raising, so. I guess that was what, 5 minutes ago? So 25 to 55. So at the hour mark, pretty much, we'll put the bread in the oven. That's good. Fastest mode, okay. For each string, work out if it's an anagram of the first string. An anagram is a word or phrase that is formed by rearranging the letters of another word or phrase, usually using all the original letters exactly once. For example, the word anagram can be rearranged into nag-aram. Or the word binary into brainy, or the word adobe into abode. Anagrams are often used as a form of wordplay or as a literary device to create humor, irony, or hidden meanings. An integer for them are strings, a string of the original string containing only letters A to Z, a string S to compare with the original string containing only letters A to Z. Okay. Oh, bam, already done. I was just finishing reading the statement. Okay, so n lines either anagram or not an anagram. Okay. So wait a minute, what is it? One integer string, the original, and then, okay. And 1 is the number of strings. Okay, so in IN. Okay, so let's just go here, here. I'm going to go C out, S, and L. So we're just here to figure out if this is an anagram of the first original O. Okay, so, what if you just sort the characters, and then sort them, and then compare? In C++, can you sort the chars in a string, please? Sort, begin, end. Oh, okay. Alright, hold on. That's good. That's good. Fine. We're good. Thank you. Okay. std sort. We already have an algorithm in there, so let's just go like this. So can I go O equals sort O dot begin, O dot end? Can we do that? std sort. Now string contain. Oh, we don't even need to set it equal. It doesn't return, it just sorts. Okay. Good Lord. And then my microphone fell right now. That probably sounded interesting. Alright, sort s dot begin. S dot end. And then we just want to compare equal. If are we gonna stop sneezing anytime soon? Alright. Does that work? What was this? I think I... Okay. There we go. 100% C++, bruh. Oh, check it out, check it out. Sort string, vector char B, pushback. Why do you put them into a vector and then sort them? And then what's this? Wow. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, perfect. Sort equals just like mine. Excellent. But I wonder, yeah, this one just took a bunch of extra steps because I'm not sure what they were going for there, but apparently they didn't realize once you sort, all you gotta do is check for equality. So did a lot of extra work, took 3 seconds longer than me. Okay. Alright, well that while we're working on that. So this one, yeah, so what do we have to do? So first of all, this one, what's the other one? Let's load the other one real quick and see. Because there's a 2D map saved of it, which is really cool. Main, first, Voronoi. God, another sneeze coming on. This is not gonna stop. I don't get it. What does this one do? Oh, check distance nearest index. What? Did something not load from the shaders or something? What? Oh, these are probably in cleanup. That's why we didn't see anything. I should have checked the console, but I know by now. I already know by now. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. There we go. So, there's the mouse. Okay. Oh, and now it's freaking out. What is it doing? Yeah, okay. So this one doesn't work. Or it does something, but it doesn't work. So we could easily use that one and just copy the first one over and just... Yeah, because that one, whatever I was trying to do, doesn't work. Let's look at the... There's a 2. Let's look at that one. While we're waiting for that other person to... Other people to finish their clash. Voronoi 2, there we go. And I think we have to... Oh, the shaders are inside the thing. Okay, there. They are C... Oh. Well, that one's... Excuse me, that was cool. Okay, Jeff, we got it. I know. So does clicking do anything in this one? I don't think so. Nothing. So no, there's really nothing in that one other than just showing the Voronoi, which is this little function right here. And everything's in here. Okay. See, it's only drawing 1 point. That's not the point. Okay. You're funny. Okay. So either one of those are actually pretty good. Where's the all projects? Oh, this one isn't over there. It's okay. So first point Voronoi 1 is the one that actually has the 2D map. And then first point 1 Voronoi 2 is actually the first is the one that's it's just one large point with Voronoi algorithm. I'm going to say inline shaders because they're in C strings, which, oh, where's my cursor? Which really sucks, in my opinion. In my opinion. Okay. I know, it would be good to think of some Kickstarter stuff, because I want to run a Kickstarter. And I don't know how to incentivize people on Ko-fi. Is there a thing? It'd be nice to have some merch to give away to Ko-fi donators, and Kickstarter donators, and Patreons. It would be nice to have merch, to have little plush. Maybe that's what I should invest in. Nobody else is finished yet. It's 4 minutes though. Let's just wait. Okay. Frogger would be cool to do with shader art in the space. Yeah. It would be really cool. A Frogger of sorts. I like this one. I'm going to turn up the music and turn off the microphone. Welcome back. I unmute and immediately go right to the sneeze. Did you like that one? Okay, so basically we just want to count the, we need to, want to count the size of the size of the words. So we want an I string stream. Oops, I string stream based on S. Okay, and then we want a vector of integers with the size of the words. Okay, so std vector of integers with the word sizes. Okay, and then what we want to do is while. Okay, ISS. Wait. How do we do it again? Oh yeah. And we need a token. We need a string token. Then we want to go word size dot pushback token dot size or length. Token dot length. Length. Okay. I don't know. Then we want to cycle through and look at all those. Okay, so that should show us the moon peaks to the 4, 5, 2, 3. Okay. So this one we know is correct. Oh, and we have to have the output of the... Oh, no, 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 no. So how can we do that? See, because the difference is 1, 3, 1. If the difference is only 1, and then the other difference is actually the length of the thing minus 1, then you're good, right? Then you can do it. And you need to find the one that... Oh, gosh. C out WS sub I. So let's just do the first 3. Will that do the first 3? 5, 4, 2. Perfect. So then we want to go this. Let's just go the absolute value. Do we need to include math? Minus WS of I plus 1. Parenthesis. Do I need C math in there? No. C 1, 3, 1. So token, we're not gonna be able to reproduce. So we do need the actual words. So we need a vector of strings too. So std vector of strings and the actual words. Okay. So that one will push token length, and the actual words will push token. Excuse me. Now, so we're counting, like there's 4 words, we're counting 3, so we're counting that many, and we're getting, yeah. So what we want to know is that 5, is that just one more because if it's 3. Total spaces. Okay, so it still does that. So if total spaces is either equal to the number of words minus 1, or, wait, in this case it's 5, right? And there's 4, so a number of words plus 1? Is that right? I don't, wouldn't it be, because like how many words in some of these? Oh yeah, oh, can they check freely? See this one? The difference there is 4. And there's 5, so is that right? Yeah, so if that, the highest number there, and the rest are 1s. Okay. So we want to know what spot the index occurs the largest number. We want to know if all the rest are 1s. We got to find out a bunch of stuff. So we don't know. So the highest index is equal to -1. Okay. And then we want to know if the rest are 1s equals 0. The rest are 1s total. Okay. So let's go like this. Int. We'll just call it space equals. So we're going to go like this. If SPC equals 1, then it's one of the 1s. We want to get ROT, isn't that the okay. So then we're going to go ROT plus plus. Bum, ba, ba, bum. Okay, and then when we're done, we want to see out. ROT, not a TOS. Highest index is 1. Number of 1s is 2. Okay, the highest index is 1, which means that we can use, see, the highest index is 1, but that means that between the second and the third one, which would be the first 1 and 2, is where you can split it. So you would want to start with yeah, this is too much for me to think about apparently, and I'm just done. This is how codingame works. Sometimes you just like, that's too much for me to think about. I could have gotten there. I don't have the patience to go through and carefully do that. It would have been cool, but anyways. Moving on. Oh, speaking of board, I think I'm done with clashing. I don't know if I want to do some other stuff, but I do have my bread to